Teacher knowledge and behavior is the component of the model that focuses on teachers' knowledge of students and content, and on their expertise in classroom management and pedagogy. Teacher behavior is the element of teacher knowledge and behavior that encompasses classroom management and pedagogy. More information on this can be found in the Technology as Facilitator of Quality Education model. The students have done research on famous people they have selected as role models. The teacher has her students imagine their role model's thoughts, activities, goals, and plans based on what they know about the person. The students must then interview each other, trying to formulate questions that will elicit useful information about their partner's role model. The students will later write and send interview questions to their role models.
Well, I'd like to help you synthesize or pull together everything that you've been reading and learning about by doing a little imagery exercise. So just lean back in your chair, relax, you can close your eyes if you'd like. Okay. Now, don't go to sleep on me though. Thinking about what you've read and what you've learned about so far, I would like you to imagine that you are that person. Okay, don't look at your neighbor because that might not help you think about what you need to think about. I would like you to think that you are them right now. What are they doing? It's Friday morning about 9:30. Who are the people that are around them?
The teacher demonstrates effective pedagogy, both by providing the students with multiple paths to knowledge and by connecting this introductory activity to the other activities that are part of the project. This demonstrates effective classroom management in her management of group work. The students split up into pairs and each student is assigned a specific task. The instructor explicitly describes what each pair member should do, and both partners have to participate in order to complete the activity.
So I'd like you to, with your partner in a pair share, I would like you to tell that listener all you can about what you've learned, including what you just imaged a little bit ago, what you're thinking of them, and what you've learned so far. Partners, your job is to not only listen, but to ask them questions and see if you can draw out some of the characteristics of the person that they've been studying.
Effective classroom management is also evident as the teacher conducts a review session. The teacher revisits the 6 levels of thinking in Bloom's taxonomy.
Bloom's taxonomy, you learned last winter, is based on 6 levels. And they rise up like a ladder. How many do I have? Whoops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. What is the very bottom level of knowledge that you all need to have before you can get any place else?
She elicits specific information from students, and she has them give their own examples for each of the 6 levels. Allowing the students to explain Bloom's taxonomy in their own terms helps the students understand it better.
Kelsey, can you think of a knowledge question?
What's your favorite color?
All right, very good. What's your favorite color? What's your address? What school are you at right now?
This review session builds on the students' prior knowledge and sets the stage for new learning. The teacher further demonstrates good classroom management in her brief and concise overview of the work each student will do for the day.
I put on the board where I thought that you were when we last met. Tucker, you were working with or ready to work on the CDE. Okay, you're doing some research there, and then you'll be working on your questions. And Ashley, you've got most of your questions written, and I would like to show you how to use the scanner.
In addition, the teacher clearly explains each student's task for partner work.
I see all of you have questions. You're all working on your questions, so when you get 3 or 4 or 5 and you see someone's free, run your questions by them and have that person tell you if they think those are divergent or convergent. And you can work together to make them divergent.
The teacher circulates among the students and she monitors them as they work on the computer. Also, she is available to the students to answer their questions and assist them with technology. The teacher keeps the students' focus on their projects and she makes students feel responsible for their own work. This exemplifies effective classroom management.